I'm going to be installing a new toilet seat. This is a slow close toilet seat and it has a special hinge. Once you bolt this down, you can pull the seat off to clean it and then push it right back in place. You don't have to remove the bolts. There's two sizes when you're looking for a toilet seat, round and elongated. And to figure out what size you need for your toilet, measure from the holes in the bowl that hold the toilet seat in place to the front of the bowl. If it's roughly 16.5 inches, that's round. If it's around 18.5 inches, it's elongated. Many toilet seats have these quick connect nuts. You have a nut with a split shaft that's threaded, and you have a washer that has one side wider than the other side. This shaft slides up into the bottom of the wider side, so you want the wide side down. When you put your bolt in, you're going to slide your washer up first, and then you're going to push the nut up. It's going to grab, and then you'll tighten it. Put your toilet seat over the bowl and put in your two bolts. Put your washer under your bolt first with the wide side down and put your nut underneath. And with these speed nuts, you can just push it up till it grabs, and now you can start to tighten it by hand. And you can hold the top of the bolt with a slotted screwdriver. When the covers are locked down over the bolts, your seat is locked in place. When you pull the covers up from the bolts, now you can pull off your seat to clean it easily, and then it's easy to put it right back on. The slow close seats help prevent damage to your bowl.